Hey, what's the Arabic for elbow? What about the Indonesian for fingers? Any idea? ماذا يسمى اللسان باللغة الإندونيسية؟ Teman-teman, lihat itu dalam bahasa Arab apa? Tahu nggak? Nggak tahu. Nggak apa-apa. Canada Ink Vibes. Welcome back everyone. This is Ridwan from Ink Vibes. Today we will be learning about body parts. Fasten your seatbelt and let's go to the paper. First of all, we start with the title, which is body parts. Body parts. How many do you know, guys? We underline it. And as usual, on the left side, we have English, Arabic, and on the right side, we have Indonesian. Don't forget to underline. All right. Number 1, and then number 2, and then number 3. We start from the top to the bottom. First one is the head. In Arabic, it's called al-ra's or al-ra'su. And in Indonesian, it's called kepala. Kepala. All right. Next one, we have the hair. The hair in Arabic is ash-sha'ru. Ash-sha'ru. And in Indonesian, it's called rambut. Rambut. There is fruit called rambutan because it has something like hair. Number 3, the face. In Arabic, it's called al-wajh. Al-wajhu. The same thing in Indonesian. It's wajah. Wajah. All right. This is the first list. Look at them and turn the page. Second list, number 4. We directly go to the ears. Ears in Arabic are al-udhunayni. Udhunayni, because we have 2. In Indonesian, they are called kuping. Kuping. I'm not sure about the G, guys. Correct me, please. 5, the nose. In Arabic, it's called al-anfu. Al-anf. In Indonesian, it's called hidung. Hidung. Sorry. Hidung. The G is not pronounced. Hidung. Number 6. Right above the nose, we have the eyes. In Arabic, they are called al-aynayni. Aynayni. And aynayni. In Indonesian, they are called mata. Mata. Number 7. We give it to the mouth. Mouth in Arabic is called al-fam. Al-famu. In Indonesian, it's called mulut. Mulut. Number 8. Inside the mouth, we have the teeth. Teeth in Arabic are called al-asnan. Al-asnanu. And in Indonesian, they are called gigi. G-I-G-I. Gigi. Alright? This is the second list. Look at it. Now, turn the page, move to the third one. Number 9. Number 9 is, what do you think? Something in the mouth. The tongue. The tongue. In Arabic, it's called al-lisan. Al-lisanu. Oh, here there's a lightning, you know. And in Indonesian, it's called lidah. Lidah. Number 10. We go a little bit down. The neck. What is the neck in Arabic? It's الرقبة. الرقبة with تشديد الرقبة, like this. In Indonesian, it's called leher. Leher. The third part for today. Sorry, the 11th part. It's the chest. Chest. It's called الصدر. With تشديد again, الصدر. In Indonesian, it's called dada. Dada. Number 12. Right below chest, we have the belly. Belly is called al-batn. Al-batn or al-batnu. In Indonesian, it's called perut. Perut. Number 13. We have the thighs. Thighs in Arabic are called al-fakhidaini. Al-fakhidaini. And in Indonesian, I'm going to write something, but I'm not sure about it. Paha. Is it paha atas? By the way, this is spontaneous, okay? I'm writing what I know, not from Google or ChatGPT or something. It's spontaneous. This is my way. I'm learning. Number 15, we have the knees. Knees in Arabic, they are called al-rukbataini. Rukbataini, because we have two. And in Indonesian, they are called lutut. Lutut. I sometimes confuse it with the muscles, which is otot. This is lutut. 16, we give it to the feet. Feet in Arabic, they are called al-qadamain. And in Indonesian, they are called kaki. Kaki kiri, kaki kanan. Number 17, we have fingers or toes, the same thing. Al-asabi'. Al-asabi'u. And in Indonesian, they are called jari. Fingers or toes, you know, the foot fingers. In English, they are toes. In Arabic, asabi'ul qadamain. Number 18, we have the elbow. Elbow in Arabic is called al-ku'. And in Indonesian, it's called siku. They use it in silat, you know, and Muay Thai. Siku. Number 19. Here we have the back. The back in Arabic is called الظهر. الظهر. And in Indonesian it's called punggung with double G. Punggung. I always confuse it with another part, you will see. So remember, the back is punggung. I confuse it with this guy, the waist. The waist in Arabic is called al-khasr. Al-khasru. And in Indonesian it's called pinggang. Pinggang. Pinggang, pinggung, sometimes I get confused. But now so far so good. So remember, pinggang for the waist, pinggung for the back. Now it's your turn, guys. You give me number 21, 22, and 23. Up to you. Choose any 3 parts. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please comment, share, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Don't forget to answer the questions. Give me 3 other body parts you know in any language, and I will reply to you as soon as read your comment. Till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with Ing Vibes.